How to download the Progressive Insurance application on Android. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. You can head over to Play Store for that. Just go ahead and open up Play Store, the application, and once you open it up, you can directly look out for the search option and tap on it. Once you find it up, you can look out for the search bar in the top and directly head over and search for Progressive Insurance. And there you'll be finding Progressive. Just go over and tap on it. Now once you find the application, what you need to do is basically look out for the install option, and it is pretty quick and easy to download. It is free. Make sure you're downloading it from Progressive Insurance Company. Just head over and find the application. Once you find the application, you can look out for the install option available like this, and go ahead and tap on that option and go ahead and install that following application on your device. And after that, you can just go over and log in into your account, and this should be following interface for you. You can just go over and use this application right here. Do look out for different kind of insurance available that you can sign up. Just head over and follow out the steps, and the application should be easily downloaded on your Android device. So therefore, we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.